Way number 1. Go to Setting. Go to System. Go to Default. Press Factory Default. And confirm by admin account password. After that, camera will reboot with default IP address and uninitialized status. Way number 2. Keep IP camera powered on. Find the reset button of IP camera. It is under flap for this demo unit. It could also be somewhere else in other IP cameras as showed. We could use a phone pin. To long press the reset button for about 8 seconds. When released, camera will reboot with default IP address and uninitialized status. Now let's check camera's status. Input camera's default IP address. Now the camera is factory defaulted.